November 30th, 2023. We are here with Marilyn, Dokor, Norbu, Claire up there. So we all have a journey together to India, Arunachal Pradesh. So we're going to visit our Odiyana project in Rusain, Arunachal Pradesh. Wish us luck. We are on the plane. You know what? Fly how many hours? So we're going to fly
A lot.
13 and a half hours. 13 hours from here to Turkey. From Turkey to India is 8.5 hours. From New Delhi to Dibrugarh another 2.5 hours. After that, it's going to be a 2 or 3 hours drive. Get our destination after maybe 24 hours. Wish us luck. Thank you.
Good luck. Good luck.
Okay, this in the morning. It's December 1st, 2023. We just reached Istanbul, Turkey. So there's an 8-hour layover. We're at the Turkish airport. It's gonna be wander around about 8 hours. So meanwhile, we're just walking, doing some exercise. Istanbul, so tired. 13 and a half hour flight from Los Angeles to Istanbul, Turkey. It's beautiful. It's pretty much the empty airport. It's amazing. Kind of very exhausted after 13 hours on the plane, but it's so exciting to see Istanbul airport, walk around the shopping center. It's incredible. Istanbul airport.
Wait, can I put on?
Hey Marlon. It's an amazing airport. Here's Maryland.
Crossing point of the world.
Cross point of the world. Where is it?
We're in Constantinople, Istanbul.
Istanbul.
Yes, sir.
International Airport.
Yep.
It's amazing.
The diversity in here is just crazy. We get people from every corner of the earth. Even some freaking Tibetans, right?
Yep. Yes, that's right.
Only New Delhi. Yeah, so we only. कोई और देखते हैं
From Tibet. Yes.
Very far.
Yeah, very far away.
Hi for Tibet.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Everybody is for Tibet.
America.
No, America. This is America. Yeah. Thank you, cousin. Thank you.
So
Okay, we're gonna have a Turkish food at the airport. So we look for Turkish cuisine. Most of the food stall is burgers, pizzas, you know, Americanized, terrible. But now we got the Turkish kebab. And here's
Kebab.
chicken kebab right here. That's a kebab.
We got lamb shish kebab.
It's lamb shish kebab. So here you go, lamb shish kebab.
it. I thought it was just going to be give us the 4 sewers and that's it.
It's Indian Delhi airport. What are people?
Thank you. Okay. I hear your doggy has a new baby.
I'm Marilyn. There will be 5 people.
nga. What is your name?
My name is Tassis Ben.
What is your name?
My name is Aside Jacob.
What is your name?
My name is Spencer Hansen.
What is your name?
My name is Rebecca.
What is your name?
My name is Vincent.
What is your name? Louder. My name is?
My name is Phil.
What is your name? Aku name ke? Huh? Tuntang Tama. What is your name? Okay, we are very safely arrived at the Odiyana project site, Rusin, Arunachal Pradesh. So this morning I got up early morning. They have some children here and study Tibetan language. And I just see in the classroom they're doing great study. So I'm wanted to spend some time with them. It's beautiful. Oh, you got it, you got it. Nice to meet you.
Good morning.
Good morning, good morning. Good morning.
It's just incredible. We just arrived at the Odiyana project site and we just found this wonderful children housing here at the project site, and they are learning language. They live the life here. And the incredible part is 2 years ago, this is just empty ground. And the Tibetan Aid Foundation and the Odiyana Institute in California, Southern California, funded this project. And now we have some children here. The housing here is wonderful. We play with the children. Today is one amazing day we are having here.
playing with these wonderful children here.
Where?
We are here in Dibrugarh,
Uh-huh.
Assam, India.
Uh-huh.
And these kids, unexposed to the outside world, they represent true happiness, true inner peace. The only thing on their mind is what they're gonna do right now.
Oh, that's wonderful. Are you have a good time?
A wonderful time. Wonderful. I highly recommend to anyone who's watching this video, if you're at home, all you do is scroll, or watch movies, do this, do that. Take an opportunity to go outside, go out into nature, find the true meaning of life. Right here is the true meaning of life.
That's beautiful.
Because nothing matters here. All that matters, so we're all happy, having fun, and move on to the next moment. So I'm gonna go drink some water and get some tea, and then moving on.
All
Next
right.
thing.
Thank you.
Hello.
Ah, hello.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, it's December 3rd, 2023, and we are here at the Odiyana Education and Health Project, the compound ground. Here's Nobu. So we are here at the actually community kitchen, so we're going to do a clinic opening. Here's the Dane, California, Maryland, California, Dolcar, California, Claire, California, and here is Norbu, California, and here's our breakfast this morning. They cooked for us, and we have a blast here. Also, our great chefs. Ah, yeah, Bhutanese. Yes. Tuting, Aranthabesh.
Myself from Brooklyn.
Ah, from Brooklyn. All right. So they are here. They are volunteers. So they work, help the community here at the clinic site and project site. So we have a wonderful time. We're gonna have breakfast. That's actually kitchen. This is called a community kitchen. So next few days we're gonna have an event, cook, preparation, everything happens here. So we have a blasting, and if you ever get a chance, you're welcome to here. And everybody having breakfast at the project site, and all the children outside actually. See, all the kids over there.
Pork today. Yes.
Are you gonna cook pork today? How do you cook pork?
Montu, can we go to your bakery sometime? Yeah. We want to see it, how good it is. Yeah. You making a cake? Yeah.
We'll bring to tomorrow then.
Georgia keeps talking about making it self-sustaining.
Okay, here's Marlon Smith Stoner here. It's from Southern California. How are you, Marlon?
I'm great. We just arrived yesterday. Had a wonderful night and a great morning. We're getting ready today to for the clinic that's going to start in a day, and so we're all good.
So we can hear the workers still working outside with the buildings. But we are having breakfast, lunch here. Just I want to see how Marlon. We had over 40 hours travel. Got here. We thought it was gonna be exhausted, but we are so excited.
Oh, it's so wonderful. Yeah.
Yeah, so we have a blast here.
So here's the children from the school behind us, and they live here all the time. They're a little bit ahead of schedule, but that's who you see in the background. Just darling children that are going to have some English lessons later and their own lessons with the Tibetan alphabet and other things that they do here. So the work is ongoing.
All right. Thank you, Marlon. That's wonderful. Hey, gila baik.
Dari kan sepeda jangan sampai kalau jauh menjadi pura dari sepeda garap.
फुटबॉलर कौन बनेगा फुटबॉल वॉलीबॉल पूरा वॉलीबॉल वॉलीबॉल बनेगा फुटबॉलर बनेगा हाँ सब सिखाएगा मजा है
That's all.
Yeah, never get away. Yeah.
Okay, so we are here at the Sing. Arunachal Pradesh. And at the bamboo house, see, this is a beautiful bamboo house. And here's the Dokar, Norbu, Claire. They're doing yoga.
Good job, good job, good job. Yeah.
That's it.
Okay, nice. Your turn. Duck. Duck.
여보.
Chocolate.